I'm going to be doing a little experiment with all the native plants I got this week. So I've got a chicken and I'm going to be making roast chook with all these ingredients. So I've got a lemon myrtle, and that is actually from what was given to me during the talk at the show. And as you can see, it's still green and it has retained its moisture. This is the native thyme. This is the Tassie pepper bush, and this is the female because I don't have the peppercorns yet. This is the aniseed myrtle, yep, because it's a bit serrated, and the other one, which is the cinnamon myrtle. So overwhelmingly the flavor should be the lemon myrtle and the thyme because that's the most I got. But I wanted to add the other myrtles just to see if it actually works. So I'm just gonna put these herbs in butter and then stuff the chicken, the underside of the breast bit. So, and we'll see how it is, and I'll post a review later after the chook is done. So I've just added all these native ingredients in my grinder, and I've added some rock salt and peppercorns. And voila! And look, it smells woody, herby, and it's quite nice. Very fresh, very fragrant. So we'll see how it goes with the butter. Yeah, that stick from the lemon myrtle branch I should have probably excluded. But look, this is what it looks like. I've just placed it on the butter, and I'm going to start stuffing it underneath that breast skin. So this is what my stuffed chook looks a bit. It looks a bit awful, but there we go. We'll see how it is in a couple of hours time or so. Yeah. So this is what the chook looks like after maybe an hour and 15 minutes. I'll get the potatoes out now and put this back in for maybe another extra 15 minutes. So this is at 180 degrees. I'm just looking, I'd like it a bit more caramelized, I suppose. So there's a lot of fat rendered with this chicken. You can definitely smell maybe more the thyme coming through. So I'll give it 15 more minutes. But the potatoes were ready, so I took them out. This is the roast chook out of the oven, freshly out of the oven. What do you think? What's the smell?
Chickeny.
Chickeny with the herby, woody flavors.
A herby, woody chicken.
You're just repeating what I said.
Yep.
Okay, we'll do the taste test soon. So this is what it looks like plated. It's not the prettiest plated, but I got the breast side with all the herbs, so I'll taste it next. Okay, first test. The lemon myrtle has come through, and the flavor is pretty impressive, and it's actually quite moist because of the butter mixture. So yeah, I can definitely repeat this again in future with my native plants from my garden. Mr. Martin, talk to me.
I'm trying to eat.
So
Okay, there's lemon in the white meat, but predominantly, mostly it's lemon myrtle with a little bit of the hint of the pepper.
that's good.
But that's it.
But it doesn't sting us, does
No,
it?
no, because the lemon is the main flavour.
Yeah, and Mr. Martin didn't like my woody bit.
No, the woody bit jams in the
Yeah,
teeth.
okay. We've just had dinner.
Mm-hmm.
So what's the verdict?
It wasn't bad. Oh, the chicken. You could taste the lemon myrtle quite strongly.
What did you think I was asking?
Oh, I don't know, the weather.
Okay, how's the weather?
Yeah, not bad. Bit overcast. I think we're going to get some rain. But anyway, getting back to the chicken, it wasn't bad. The lemon myrtle was very overpowering.
So this is a top of lemon myrtle tree, so with the dried flowers.
So it was very strong. There was a hint of the
Pepper bush.
pepper bush. But
Yeah,
that was
I could
about
try that.
it. But it wasn't very strong. Ideally, you'd probably need to cut back the lemon myrtle. It was very strong, very overpowering.
What, the lemon?
The
Lemon and
lemon
chicken
flavour.
is supposed to be
It
a
is,
good
but if
combo.
you're going to mix something else with it, you probably should. But it was very prominent in the breast. As far as the drumsticks and stuff went, not really.
Yeah, because most of the herbs were concentrated on the breast.
I mean, you could probably turn it into a butter or something and rub it all over.
And rub it
which
all
would,
over, yeah.
Try and find a way to get the juices to go into the chicken itself. The
True,
skin,
true.
you know.
I don't know if I did lemon myrtle, what I suppose what native plant should I
To
balance it
mix
out
with it.
with?
It's hard to say.
I mean, is it, aniseed or cinnamon? I mean, the pepper bush I could taste a lot because
But
I'm
it
still
wasn't
feeling the
strong.
tingle.
It wasn't very strong though. That was the point. Very, very lemony.
Yeah.
You could taste a lot of lemon.
How about the thyme?
Didn't taste it.
Yeah. Well, we only have a small thyme plant.
Yeah, I know. That's why I don't want you to attack it yet. Give it time to grow.
Oh, very funny. Yeah, so, well, look, I thought it wasn't too bad in the sense that the flavour was subtle. It was fragrant, but it did not penetrate through most of the chicken.
No, it stuck more or less in one spot. Like, once you actually went for the wings or the drumstick or the backside of the chicken, it really wasn't.
There was no flavour.
No, it was predominantly in the breast meat.
Yeah, so what I could probably have done was probably put the butter, pats of butter on all over underneath the skin, I suppose, if I wanted
I don't
that
know
flavour.
if you could actually somehow send it up into the cavity, like actually mix it into stuffing or something and put it into the cavity of the chicken.
Yeah, they did suggest that in terms of having, some of these native plants mixed with that.
That way, at least it internally would, get some flavour.
With some flavour. Yeah, so our ongoing experimentation goes on. I did put a whole lemon, ordinary lemon, not the lemon myrtle, inside the cavity. So I did wonder if that also made the chicken very lemony.
Very lemony. Look, I don't know. You could taste the lemon though, but it was more the breast side, so I'm just wondering if it actually was.
The lemon myrtle rather than anything else. Well, look, at least the lemon myrtle does live up to its name, which is it's lemony, and it's quite a strong scent there. But it is very fragrant, but not overwhelmingly
No, it
so.
was pleasant, but yeah, there wasn't much hint of anything else, unfortunately.
Yeah, just straight out lemon myrtle. But there we go. A good attempt for the first chook with using native ingredients, really. Until next time.
Done. All right, see ya.